Hello everyone, today we're going to continue talking about vacuum cup massage. So what's so good about vacuum cup massage technique? First of all, it helps smoothen out small wrinkles. It gives you a more even skin tone, shrink your pore, remove swelling, and make your face shape more beautiful. If the massage is done correctly, you will see the results on the next day after you've done the first massage. It will lift your skin and your face will look healthier than it did before the massage. It's relatively easy to explain why it's so effective. The cup creates vacuum and therefore increases blood flow, so your cells get more nutrients, as well as oxygen, and your capillaries strengthen. And now let's talk about the contradictions. First of all, you should not do vacuum cup massage when you have a lot of acne. If your skin is damaged or you have big birthmarks on the place where a massage is happening, as well as herpes, malignancies, problems or inflammation of facial nerves, if you have a flu or a cold, as well as when your capillaries are weak. I'm going to talk about cuprosis separately. In one of my previous videos, I already told you that this is basically a non-working blood vessel, which is either removed or just left like that. But a light vacuum is not going to harm in this case. And now I'm going to show you a couple of ways to do a vacuum cup massage. The first one is going to help you with swellings. First of all, cleanse your skin and then boost your lymphatic nodes next to your collarbones and around your ears. Place your fingers around your collarbones and when you breathe in, tap them deeply into the skin, lifting your shoulders up. After that, softly massage the lymphatic nodes around your ears. Then gently tap through your face, moving towards your ears and then going down along your neck. And after that, apply your face oil. Clamp the cup to your face and slide it along the massage lines. If you have a full face, you should do 5 massage movements from the middle of your face to the side and repeat this massage twice a week. If you have a normal amount of subcutaneous fat, you should do 3 movements once a week. If you have a thin layer of subcutaneous fat, you can do this exercise in order to make your cheeks fuller. Clamp the cup on your cheek, leave it for 1 to 2 seconds and release. Clamp again and release. If you have a thin face, you should do this massage once a week. And if you have cuprosis, you should do this massage using a small vacuum cup, doing it the same way along the massage lines from the center of your face to the side. This technique is going to help you to improve capillary nutrition and strengthen your blood vessels. In order to improve skin nutrition, you should use this technique once a week. It is also very useful if you want to shrink your pores. Vacuum cup massage can also be used to loosen face muscles. In our case, it's the chewing muscle. Clamp the cup to your face for 1 to 2 seconds, moving along the chewing muscle, and then release. Now let's work on the nasolabial fold. Form an oval shape with your mouth and clump the cup in the area of nasolabial fold. Both of these exercises, working on your nasolabial fold or chewing muscles, you should do once a week. If you found this video useful, subscribe to our channel, give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to click the bell to follow our latest updates.